Good day everyone, we are Group 1 and now we're on Module 10 and today we will be presenting on a crucial aspect of effective communication in call centers, which is avoiding distractions during calls. But before we proceed, let me introduce our team. I'm Gaviola John Lawrence M, together with Santos Janus Roy and Resosa Marcangelo. Moving forward, staying focused during call is essential in maintaining high quality service. Distractions can lead to misinformation, slower response times, and decreased customer satisfaction. Also, maintaining full attention allows for better listening, quicker issue resolution, and a more professional interaction overall. It ensures that the customers feel heard and valued throughout the call. Also, eliminating distractions lead to smoother communication and more successful outcomes in every customer interaction. Distractions come in many forms and can disrupt focus during calls. One of the most common is noise, such as background conversations or other phones ringing nearby, which can make it harder to concentrate and listen effectively. Technology can be also a major source of distraction. Notifications from messaging apps or switching between multiple programs can pull attention away from the customer. Also, mental distractions such as daydreaming, fatigue, or stress affect listening and response quality. These internal factors reduce alertness and lead to communication errors. To control these distractions, agents should use noise-canceling headsets to black out background sounds, or when they are working from home, work in designated quiet zones to limit environmental disruptions, and follow protocols that reduce external noise during calls. Additionally, managing mental distractions through proper rest, staying focused, and minimizing multitasking helps maintain mental clarity and focus.
So we have to stay focused during calls. So we have these three important things to do to stay focused during calls. So first we have the active listening. So active listening during calls means fully concentrating on what the speaker is saying. It is both non-verbally and verbally to understand their message completely. So it's more than just hearing. It's about engaging with the conversation and showing the speaker you are present and attentive. So next we have the avoid multitasking. So avoid multitasking during calls unless it's absolutely necessary to support the immediate conversation. So focusing on the call ensures that uh, you understand the information and respond it appropriately. So multitasking can lead to errors, misinformation, and generally it lessen the productive conversation. And lastly, we need to pay attention to the caller's tone and needs. So it means that being sensitive to their emotional state and ensuring your responses address their concerns effectively. So this fosters better communication and build stronger relationships. So it is about the understanding the why behind their words, not just the what. So in this scenario, highlighted the negative consequences of multitasking and a lack of focusing during a customer interaction. So here's the breakdown of the problem and how to improve it. So the problem is the agent's distraction by a chat message. So it demonstrates poor prioritization and active listening skills. So focusing on multiple things simultaneously resulted in a critical detail. So critical detail being missed. So requiring the customer to repeat information. So this increased handling time, wasted both the agent and customer's time, and negatively impacted customer satisfaction. So the customer might likely felt unheard and unimportant. So we have to improve the prioritization. So the agent should have prioritized the ongoing call with the customer. So the chat message, unless an immediate emergency, so could could have waited until after the call was completed. So the second one is active listening. So the agent should have been fully present and engaged in the conversation with the customer. So this means minimizing distractions and focusing understanding the customer's needs. The third one is proactive communication. So if the agent had to briefly step away, they should have politely informed the customer and uh, set a clear expectation for when they would they return. So last one, the empathy. The empathy after realizing the mistake, the agent should have apologized sincerely for the interruption and the need to repeat information.
And for the summary, maintaining focus during calls is very crucial for call center agents to ensure efficiency and deliver excellent customer service. Distraction, whether from the environment, technology, or internal thoughts, can hinder communication and reduce customer satisfaction. To combat this, agent can use noise cancelling headset, manage their technology effectively, then stay mentally engaged, and develop strong work habits. These strategies help minimize distraction, also enhancing performance and fostering a more professional experience for both agents and customer. And for the overall, reducing distraction leads to better communication and improve customer interactions.